Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is something else. Actually, it is very important video I'm going to make today. Because of that, don't miss this video. I'm kindly request this video. End of the video, you have to watch. You must watch. Now I'm going to show you what happened to this gas stove because this customer using this gas stove long time, but his all the kitchens inside all the chatty pots are getting black, but continuously is using this gas cooker. Because of that, actually I came and visited customer house. Now I'm inside the kitchen. Now I'm going to show you what happened to this gas stove, and we will go to the next step, and I will explain to you. Now I'm lighting the burners. This is two burners. I'm not going to tell the brand wise name. Now I will. This is ignitions are working. Also thermocouple also working, and also other one also I will. Yes. Now you can see both burners are working, but something different. It's not the normal. It is abnormal. What is the abnormal? I'm telling. You can see here the flame. It is making yellow flames are coming. That's mean inside the kitchen it is very dangerous, also very bad while using this type of gas cooker at your home inside the kitchen. Now your chatty pots, I'm going to show you here. You can see here this the all the pots are got damaged. That means all the pots are, you can see here, it is very black because this while you using this type of cooker, it's not burning gas 100%. You can see this one, this for this cooker, the customer using this one here. You can see this one, the liquid petroleum. Otherwise, we are telling LPO gas they are using. Also safety method also here. Safety gas fire cylinder also here. Now you can see, dear friends, this one actually the reason, two three reasons are there. Because of that, first of all we have to check. Now I will off this one. If it is yellow flames are coming, that means yellow flames are making your cooker or gas stove. You have to, first of all you have to check the here gas inside the gas cylinder, gas available or not. If it is not full gas, if will come, actually it is like this flame yellow. Otherwise you have to check here while you handing like this here the gas cylinder. If it is very cool here, that means all the gas became here liquid. Because of that also is pressure, it will come down. Because of that, if it is here, it's like forming like very cool while you keeping hand here. At that time also, its pressure it will come very badly. That means low pressure it will come. Especially the liquid petroleum, it's actually mainly it is making propane and butane gas mixing together, and only the we are telling, after that only we are telling LPO gas. That means high pressure gas. This LPO, it's not like a natural gas. Now if it is here it's cool, we have to make it is pressure gas. What you can do, you have to put some water here. Otherwise you can keep here the water bucket inside the bucket. After keeping some time, it's quickly it will get pressure. That means it will come become all the liquid, it will become gas. And that one also you can do. If it is again it's happening like that, you have to check this regulator here. You can check this regulator. Here inside this type of regulator, here inside having one regulator, you can press and turn clockwise. You can increase and anti-clockwise decreasing. You can increase and decrease the gas pressure. Also, you have to check here. Here having a nozzle. I will remove this. Here, this type. Here you can see here nozzle. You can see here having one nozzle. Also, the ventilation vent here. That's mean here gas if any burning gas or otherwise anything burn, it should oxygen. If it is not oxygen supplying to the burning for the gas, at that time also it's happening like that. Because of that, we have to check here nozzle. Also this vent, this one regulator, actually we are telling exhaust vent, oxygen vent. Actually, this is the oxygen vent. By pressing here, take it up. See, you can press and you can turn clockwise, anti-clockwise. If you turning anti-clock, this both side it will open. You can see here. And if you can close also here, you can close. If you close in this one, oxygen not supplying to the here, because of that actually the gas not burning. That's mean if it is full combustion, you need to open this one. That's mean it should come to the here oxygen to burn 100% all the gas. Otherwise it will come incomplete combustion. That means it's not 100% burning gas. Because of that, at that time also burn flames will come yellow. You can see here thermocouple function also here. This is ignition plug. Now everything are perfect. Now what I'm going to do here, I have to make. We can adjust here, turning. The both sides are same. Here also same. This one something actually the nozzles. Before do the repair, we can adjust this both side. After that we will check if it is okay. No need to do any replacement nozzle. So anything unnecessary. Now I think you learn how to do that. Anyway, now again we will check here. Now still actually having the same issue. That means it's not much, not like before. Now I'm again I'm turning here. It's like that, you can see. Now you can see the difference here. Now it is flames. It's coming blue. Now you can see, dear friends, here it is. Now it's burning 100%. Small yellow flames are coming, but doesn't matter. Now you can see again. I will show you how to do that. By hand, you can turn here like that. You can see the difference here. Now you can see. Now it is as same before. Now again I will turn. Now you can see the difference here. It should be like that. If it is 100% burning gas, it should be like that. Otherwise, it's not burning gas 100%. I have to make here. Now it's okay. And this side also I have to make like that. You can see here. Now I will turn this one again. You can see here. Now you can see, dear friends, both flames, it is okay. That means it's coming blue. That means full full combustion. Now you can see, dear friends, it is now 100% burning gas. That means full combustion. At the moment it's doing, not incomplete combustion. Now it is 100% burning. Now without changing, I repair this gas stove. It is now 100% burning gas. Now you can see it is 100% burning at the moment. That means all the gas supplying through the nozzle. Now it is 100% burning. That means it is not harmful for your body, your health, and environmental. That is, everything are perfect. If it is you using incomplete combustion, your body will get very sickness. That means don't forget. I'm going to explain to you the next step, what we can do, what is the benefits we are getting if it is full combustion. uh, it should be like that. Now you can see here, dear friend, it is already, it's burning 100%. If it is 100% burning, it's no harmful our body, our health, environmental. Otherwise, is lot of issues are coming. Your body will get sick. It is if continuously, if no any air circulation at your cooking place, that means kitchen, you will get continuously. You are using it is like a yellow flame. You will get sick, because some customers we found it is while cooking time, it's body getting unconscious, and some customers actually we heard, we saw, we are watching, we are hearing from them. It is bad head pain, otherwise vomiting sometime, because the reason is if not complete combustion, at that time it's coming carbon monoxide gas from the gas cooker. Otherwise incomplete, that means not burning 100%, half burning LPO gas, that means hydrocarbon, it will come to the outside. At that time also it is very harmful your body. The especially don't forget, if it is your gas cooker, it's coming incomplete combustion. That means yellow flames are coming from the gas cooker. You have to very quickly. You have to repair the gas cooker. If it is you're using the yellow flames with the gas cooker, you will get sick, because the you breathing at your kitchen, inside the kitchen, you are breathing carbon monoxide, otherwise hydrocarbon, otherwise carbon dioxide. If it is very bad for the health, definitely you will get sick continuously. You using this type of gas cooker. But that's why I'm telling, don't miss this video. You have to watch this video, and you have to share with this knowledge, because most probably I know nobody thinking about that. Also, if it is long time, it will get to burn, to cook your food, because it's not burning 100% mean it's maximum temperature not making from the burner. Because of that, you have to think about that also. Your gas unnecessary wasting your gas, it is very bad for your economy. That means unnecessary you are spending your money. Also your pots are getting black, you have to change the pots also. Because of that, I'm telling again, if it is your gas cooker making yellow flames, don't use continuously. You have to try by yourself. If it is not, you have to call the technician. They will come and do it. They will make it. Now it should be like that flame from your gas cooker. If it is not coming flame, It's the blue color. Definitely you have to make that one. I'm friendly telling, don't use continuously because you will get sick. If it is not proper ventilation at your kitchen, you will get definitely sick because it is very bad for our health because it's not burning 100% LPO gas. Especially, this specification. It's coming LPO gas, liquid petroleum mean the halogen section gases. That mean ethane, methane, especially butane, also propane. It is very bad for our health. It should burn 100%, otherwise it's carbon monoxide. Definitely it will come out. Also hydrocarbon. It's very bad for our health. Now I think how to prepare, how to repair at your home by yourself. If it is from your gas cooker, gas stove, coming bad flame, that means yellow flames, how to resolve that issue. Also, what kind of benefits you can get from the gas cooker. Also, you can care of your health because this type of gas cooker using continuously, you will get definitely sick. Because of that only I make this video also, and we will meet with another video. Thanks for watching my channel. Kindly request, kindly subscribe and give me a comment. Also share my video channel. Thank you again.